Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to undercut door jamb. Also I undercut with door jamb casing. It would trim around the door. So it's very easy. So you need to use oscillation tool and you have to take material which you're gonna install. For example, here I prepare the door jamb for glue down installation, wood, engineered wood. So I just took the piece of wood. If you doing laminate floor installation or any floating floor installation, for example, it will be the same material like what I'm using for glue down engineered hardwood floor or laminate floor or luxury vinyl planks. So you have to put also underlayment under this little piece of wood, because when you cut it door jamb, it's gonna be enough space for sliding this piece of wood and underlayment. Why we cutting door jamb? Because we have to slide floor under this door jamb and also leave 1/4 inch gap under this door jamb around the walls and for keeping expansion gap. So I saw on some video guys installing a floor, don't cut in door jamb and just install the floor around the this door jamb and casing. It looks very ugly because everywhere gaps, and also if they doing floor tight, don't undercut the door jamb, just doing tight. There is floor don't have expansion gap. It can be make some cracks on the floor and or will be bumpy. So this idea, you see, floor should be under. You have to slide it under. This is the rule for floor installation. For undercutting door jamb, I am using two different tools. This first tools, it's oscillation tools, and another one it's called jamb saw. Jamb saw I would recommend use for professionals because it's really dangerous tools. If you not follow safety precautions, you can make damage for your body. So, but oscillation tools, it's really friendly tools, and you can, if you're doing floor by yourself, you can use these tools, and it's very easy. You see how it's easy to cut. So also these tools you can use not only to cut in this door jamb. You can use for trimming the wood, you can cut dry walls, and so many things. It's really useful tools for your home DIY projects. What I would recommend you to have it at your toolbox. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.